Hi, this is
One face near left edge.
Handyman. This is a detacher I just put together. So it comes in a box. You have to put this piece on here. This hooks onto a 3-point hitch on a tractor. So some just have a drawbar on them. 3-point hitch one works great because you can lift this up and down. This here rips out the old dead grass. And you can also use it for if you got a gravel driveway for raking your driveway. Works great for that as well. So, and you got to put these here on. Now, I put these kind of wide, but I think I might be putting them on the inside. It's your choice where you want to put them for your 3-point. I just got to back the tractor up and say, oh, okay. I might be changing these to the inside. Depends how I got it set up, because I have some other stuff that attaches and they all go on the outside. But this one here is actually pretty wide. So it's a little bit of fooling around. So I'll show you what else you have to do. You also have to put all these tines on right here. So, and these brackets, see these long pieces there? They're actually in half, and I've got them joined right there in the middle. There's the bolts. I use the bolts for the springs because I couldn't find any other bolts. Now there could be, I might find some later lying on the floor. And there's two different types here, so I stagger them. So look at your spaces. See this here space here, and then look at the space here. So you could actually switch it the other way around and have both going the same, but that wouldn't work so good. So, yeah. So if that one over there, see if you look at the back one over here, it's got no space on that end. So they're opposite. And you have to put this here piece on, and that's a spacer, and this spacer on this one here is welded on. So that's all that holds it on. It's welded on right there. That's it. And
0 people.
You can, I think also when you're doing this, sometimes you might want to put some weight on this. But also with a 3-point hitch, because you got the drag along one, but with a 3-point hitch, you can actually tip this back and you can pull it forward. So if you got to tip back, it's going to dig in more. So with a 3-point hitch on a tractor, you got a little bit more options. On a regular tractor, just pulling it, you don't have those options. So that's the
0 people
3-point hitch from Farm and Tractor. We bought it online. And then there's Abby over there somewhere. You over there, Abby? Where is she? She is the supervisor. This is the Blind Man Handyman. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Appreciate it. You have a good, nice holiday weekend.
Zoom. 2 minutes. 51. Viewfinder. Viewfinder. 2 minutes. Zoom. Stop recording video. Zoom. 1.0 time. Viewfinder. Focus unlocked. Image. 2 minutes. Zoom. 1 point. Stop recording video.